Hello everybody, today we'll be replacing a broken door handle with a brand new one on a 2006-2008 Hyundai Sonata. I believe the same procedure for 2009 and 2010 and very similar to other Hyundais with the same handle. This is the part number. I got it off brand new off eBay for less than $10, so nothing wrong with that. Let's open it and let's take a look about where it gets broken. So basically, if you take a look at both handles, and what gets broken is this piece over here. This car is almost 200,000 miles, and somebody not cautious enough and they just go and pull on it like maniacs, they will just break it right away from here. Anyway, so to replace it, a lot of cars you have to take the door out, like door insert and everything. This one you do not. Basically, let's take over here. Look, you got over here, there's a cover, there's a bolt underneath. It's 8mm, and the bolt basically goes to here. That basically will take this cap off. Once you take the cap off, you pull and out, and the whole mechanism will go out. You know, just the handle. That's it. That's literally, that's all what you have to do for it. All right. So now you ask me why I'm replacing it on this door instead of the other side, because all the door handles are swappable, front, back, left, right. It's all the same. So I had, this one was broken and I took it from the left side and put it in here because I have more use on this door. I would like to have the new one installed instead of having an old one installed in there. So that's why. Let's go ahead and take this cover off. And if you look inside, it's over there, you'll have an 8mm bolt. Somewhere in there, you can see it here in the middle of the screen. So what I'm using here, an 8mm with adapter, long extension, and a ratchet. It's actually not very tight. You can just do it by your hand. Now basically, you gotta be careful with that bolt. Make sure you don't drop it. I'll take it to the other side. And we'll see how that reacts. There you go. So make sure you don't drop this, otherwise you gotta take the whole door apart to get it out. Now this one, you pull and out. New one in. That's it. Alright, I have my socket in the back, so we'll try push it in, or screw it in while pushing it in, so you don't lose it. Alright, let's give it a try. And we got our door handle installed. Thank you for watching and have a great day.